Hey friends, how are you? I hope you are well. I am also fine. Learn how to remove or hide your name from comments in Microsoft Word for privacy, anonymity, and professional document sharing. In this video, we will discover simple method to change other name, remove personal info, and display comments without revealing identity. So let's get started. We can see here many page. Here this is my assignment. Now I add the comment to this page. Select the text, then go to the insert menu, then click the comment option. Then we can see here the comment. You can write anything like, now I am write this is a composition. Now we can see here the name. Now I change or remove this. You can go the file menu, click the check for issues option and click inspect document. Obviously the document is saved on your device, then click yes, and we can see here the comments resolving, versions and annotation or the document preparation or personal info. Now I am this check mark this and click inspect. Then we can see here change the other name. This is other and back another. Now I click close. Now we can see we change the comment other name very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than video very soon. Thanks for watching.